Hello everyone, my name is Edwin Nunez. This is task 5 or step 5 for the subject English 4. We have to narrate an experience about our life related to the metaphor that I chose, that was Conscience is a Man's Compass by Vincent van Gogh. Okay, some weeks ago, at about 8 a.m. in the morning, I got in a public bus from my house to the south of Bogota to the north of the city. The journey was quite good. It was not raining, fortunately. It was a fresh and cool morning. People in the bus seems to be kind and cool. A street beggar got on the bus some blocks after some minutes, and he began to sing songs and recite some poems so that he could give him, or people could give him some money. I think that the street beggar wanted people to give him some money, and then he started to say or to tell us some experiences about his life. And he told us that about his previous life, that he was as a bookseller in the city center for about 10 years. I thought that one question: how could that man leave his formal job? I mean, how he could leave or quit his job, his formal job, just to face the hard street life. I thought that the street beggar wanted to have the bus full of people, crowded. What for? If the bus was crowded, more money he would get. At the end of his presentation of singing and telling us poems, he started to ask people for some money. I mean, even for a coin of any value. I saw a tall young man sitting in front of the bus on the left, and he opened his wallet very carefully and softly, and he began to look into for some coins, and it took him some seconds. After some seconds, he took off some coins from his wallet, and he gave the coins to the beggar. And the people in the bus did the same. Suddenly, the man stood up, and the bus driver braked hard in the next bus stop. The man dropped off the bus in a hurry, so very fast. After a minute, I saw the man's wallet under the seat the man sat on. I decided to pick up the wallet. What should I do? What should I have done? My man said. Take the wallet that the man left on the bus, or phone the man? My conscience started working very hard. All of my ethics and values came to my mind so fast and was running it once and once again. I thought and thought. Finally, I did not know who took the real decision, I or my conscience. It was telling me once and once again, you must give it back as it is. Finally, my conscience won. It seems to be like a compass in my mind. I learned that directed me to do the right things. Thank you very much for your attention.